Hello! Learning English has never been difficult. Describing pictures is a vivid way to expand vocabulary, along with how to pronounce them. With the slow, clear reading in this video, it will help you pronounce the words more easily. Listen once, then close your eyes and listen again, and try to recognize the words. And here is today's picture. Take a close look at the picture for 5 seconds and begin describing it. This is a colorful and cheerful illustration showing a young child and a monkey in a forest. The picture is very bright and full of life, with lots of green leaves and sunlight shining through the trees. The forest looks peaceful and beautiful. It is a happy and friendly scene. In the center of the image, there is a little boy. He looks very happy. He has a big smile on his face. The boy is wearing a yellow straw hat with a green ribbon. His hat protects his head from the sun. He has short, black hair. He is also wearing light green overalls with buttons on the straps and a cream-colored t-shirt under the overalls. The boy is barefoot, which means he is not wearing any shoes. This makes him look like he enjoys playing freely in nature. The boy is sitting on a big tree branch. His legs are hanging down, and he looks very relaxed. He is stretching out one hand towards the monkey. His fingers are open, and it seems like he wants to say hello or shake hands. His expression is full of joy and curiosity. He is looking at the monkey with bright, wide eyes. On the same branch, near the boy, there is a monkey. The monkey has big, round eyes and a friendly face. It has light brown fur with darker brown areas. Its face is a light cream color. The monkey also looks happy. It is sitting on the branch with one hand holding the branch and the other hand reaching out to the boy. It seems like the monkey and the boy are making friends. The monkey's tail is long and curly. It curls up behind it, which shows the monkey is comfortable and at ease. The monkey is looking directly at the boy. Its eyes are large and full of expression. The two of them seem to understand each other, even without speaking. Their body language shows they are forming a bond. The background of the picture is a thick green forest. The trees have big leaves, and the sunlight is shining through the leaves. The sunbeams make the picture look warm and magical. There are different shades of green in the plants, making the forest look rich and full. Some leaves are dark green, while others are light green. There are also some small yellow plants on the ground. The light in the picture is soft and golden. It makes the forest feel calm and safe. The forest is full of trees and plants. It looks like a wonderful place to explore and play. Everything in the picture looks peaceful. The setting is perfect for a fun adventure. This picture tells a simple and lovely story. A child is enjoying time with nature. He is not afraid of the monkey. The monkey is not afraid of the child. They are playing together and smiling. It shows the beauty of friendship between humans and animals. It also shows how wonderful nature can be. The picture gives a feeling of joy, kindness, and peace. It teaches us that we can find happiness in simple things like friendship and spending time outside. In summary, this picture shows a beautiful forest, a happy child, and a friendly monkey. It is full of green colors, sunlight, and warmth feelings. The boy and the monkey are sharing a happy moment. It is a perfect scene of fun and friendship in nature.